Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we're talking about the Chainlink very urgent update. The currently price of the Chainlink, the currently price changes occur in the Chainlink, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, and the last 1 week price changes occur in the Chainlink we are discuss. So keep watching this video till the end friends, and if you're new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Now if we talk about the currently at this time price of the Chainlink, so approximately 48.38 USD dollar at this time price of the Chainlink. And on the other hand, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Chainlink, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, and the last 1 week, the changes is going wrong friends at this time friends. As you can see here, the last 1 hour and the last 1 day price change as negative friends, except of these only the last 1 week price change as positive friends. Let's see if we talk about the price chart of the Chainlink. So as you can see here, the previous time is very bad, but I think that it's time, as you can see here, the last 12 hours is going up, and I hope there is a lot of chances. As you can see this time they also take a jump, so I hope that this jump is a biggest jump of Chainlink. Maybe there is a big jump occur in the future friends. Anyways, if we talk about the price changes occur in the last 1 day 24 hours, so the price change is about negative 1.51%, and the highest price of the Chainlink is about 49.38 USD dollar. So approximately they can easily hit 50 USD dollar. And today friends, I think that today they can hit a 50 USD dollar again friends. What's your opinion about Chainlink? Please also share your opinion in the comment box, and kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel. I'm asking you again and again that please make sure to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel, due to the one reason, because if you are a holder of a Chainlink, so I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news. Thank you so much for watching this video.